Hey, Getaway, Alex here in Barra da Lagoa, Floripa, and let me show you how the beach looks like on Sunday. Look at this, plenty people, completely different vibe. So the video gonna be just me shooting on the go with no specific plan and scenario. If you're up to this experience, let's go. I'm gonna show you Barra da Lagoa here in Brazil, Florianopolis, during the day. How the beach looks like as of January 2025. What to expect. Maybe that's video gonna be useful if you're planning your travel and you want to do your homework and stuff. So this is Sunday and they have varieties of different things to do. You can buy here something to eat, something to snack, something to drink, even something to wear. All right, and let me show you the beach on a busy day. Plenty people, a lot of kids, families, everybody's having fun. However, if you're gonna look there, you know, there are no more people, a few more kilometers. But if you're gonna look there, here, that's where the crowd is. The water is nice, never super warm here in Floripa, but still nice. The guards are watching us because, as you see, the waves are pretty big. And not everywhere you can swim because of those red flags, because of the current here. Yeah, but the beach looks busy. But the more you go that direction, the less busy it is. You see, lifeguard is signaling somebody that they need to get out of there because the current is huge. Yeah, I can tell. I can feel it even under my knees. You're gonna, for example, stuck there. It's gonna be difficult for you to get out of there. All right, I'm gonna go the other way around because the sunbeams in that direction, so it's gonna be easier for me to film. And I'll show you everything on the way. The waves are pretty big, and then you see, this is the area where the waves are okay, so most of the people here. Then you have a gap here with a strong current, and then again, people further. The water, again, pretty warm as for Floripa, but it's never super warm because this is Atlantic Ocean. And yeah, if you want a warm water, you should go there. There's like a canal that leads to the lagoon. And if you want to see the video from that lagoon, check it out. We were canoeing there, so you can check underwater there because it's kind of lake, lagoon, whatever. It's warm. So yeah, back to those kiosks. See this one with Messi. Nothing can be without him. That's Neymar, I believe. A little bit of people. What kind of people you can see here? Majority of them obviously Brazilians. The second nationality, I would say, it's Argentinos, and then probably all the rest. But then again, the main focus for who's this beach for, it's for those guys, the surfers. However, as you see, they do something like Zorb. Here, where the cafe starts, our hostel just right there. You can eat acai or some maize. Now, if you want some fashion, the local fashion, you can buy it here. So many different services, as you see. People chilling, playing some sports, playing football, volleyball. But it's pretty busy though. especially in the, you see again the gap with the current right there, and then the gap where you can swim, so there's much more swimmers there. And it's probably good for those guys, the vendors who's doing the acai. If you don't know what is acai, kind of recommend you. It's very nice local dish. I love it. It's kind of ice cream, which has very unique, distinct flavor. So a couple ideas for you. If you're here, you can walk along this beach. This is like a national park there, and there's a sand dunes, and you can approach that hill right there and have a little hike there. If you want to go to this side, you also can do the hike here, and you can end up on the other beach on the other side. You also can walk right there. There's gonna be like canal. Across that canal there's a bridge. You can walk there, and there's like a natural pools. Well, it's not a pools, but it's also a fancy, nice, interesting place with some stones. And by the way, those stones you can find all over Brazil. All right, we continue. Some dogo, like for dogo. Dogo is always like. Wow, choripan. As you see, the Sunday, it's completely different vibe. So many vendors here. They can make some money, support their families and stuff. Because if you're gonna check this place in my previous video, on one of the previous videos, when it was a rainy day, this beach looks completely different. Even on a Monday or Tuesday or any other day of the week, it's completely different. But fin de semana, as they say, the weekend, it's very, very busy. But anyway, less of me and more of the people here and a little bit of infrastructure. Again, nothing special, just showing you around so you have an idea how this beach looks like. Maybe, for example, this is not your gig when it's plenty people around, but then again, consider that that's not what's happening every day. And then again, if you're gonna go that side, there's nobody there in a few kilometers. And in Floripa here, it's a big island actually. Well, it's not a small island, so there's several beaches all around, so you can find the one that you like, or why only one. You can explore all of them, but believe me, you're gonna need a lot of time for that, because the vibe is very relaxing, and once you're gonna go to one beach, you don't want to go to the other one. More of a caipirinhas and stuff. More people concentration in this area because the water here more are shallow. So as you see, more people here. And the beach is smaller here as well, more narrow, let's put it this way. And also a lot of traffic. So if it's not your gig, probably Barra da Lagoa on weekend is not your thing. But then again, reminding you, it's only the weekend. And it's busy also because there's so many different vendors and cafes and and stuff. That's why everybody's trying to be here. Plus the sea here next to the canal, it's shallow. But other than that, it's a real paradise, And people here in Brazil, they know how to have some fun. Yeah, Brazilians, they do know how to have some fun. They are very well known for that specific abilities or skills. And yeah, you should, if you want to know how to have some fun, you ask Brazilians, and they do so naturally, so intuitively. I love it. Here they have some live music. So as you see, you can rent this area with if you want, I can show you what are the prices. Everything is reais. It means you need to divide by 6 to understand what's the other prices in dollars. Dogo more of infrastructure and the people. Again, in the places like this, you feel the vibe, you know, you feel the life. It's nice. We want to be part of it. That's why a lot of people, you know, come in here and spending some time. Why not? Why not? That's the place for you to flex your muscles. That one that you gain in the gym throughout the year, or not. For you to show off your best swimsuit and stuff. Yeah, why not? Again, for me, it's a paradise. I'm here for the second time in my life, and I really love this place. More of the vendors. You see here, the sea is really good, very nice, shallow, but also very busy, this area. A lot of action going on. But here, probably this part, that's where you would bring your kids. It's much easier to swim here. But to be honest, the water today, it's not the cleanest one. It's okay, but still not the cleanest one. Could be better. All right, meanwhile, we are at the very end of the beach. Last overview from this Malecon. Yeah, you see how busy it is here. And that's the canal. On a sunny day, canal that connects lagoon or lagoa with the sea. Just right there. As you see, a little bit of activities going on here as well. Somebody just getting to the other side. All right, with their surf, why not? So the quick one, if you don't know who am I and why you should trust me, first of all, you should not trust anyone in this world, okay? But then I'm traveler big time. I'm Ukrainian that cannot go home and living somewhere in between Argentina, Paraguay. Now I'm staying in Brazil, so I'm showing everything that I see around, and also I'm trying to obtain residencies in Paraguay and Argentina. You can also reach out to me in regards of consultations of life here, how to get those residencies, and also the cruise ship, because I'm working on cruise ships. Technically right now I'm on vacation, so yeah, you can reach out to me for one-on-one consultation. I can tell you everything that I know based on my personal experience of traveling, obtaining residency, working on cruise ships and stuff. If again that's your gig, yeah, do it. You're gonna find my Instagram somewhere here. Yeah, the traffic here as well on this side, huge, because it's Sunday. But here you see the part of the beach that nobody's around, because everybody closer to the water. So technically you can find a spot like this. This is like a little Malecon where more vendors are selling something. Some of them are chilling, some of them they just waiting for the bus and stuff, playing guitars and whatever. Here some area for sport courts, and they're like a playground. And then a little bit of a traffic here at this canal. And as you see, somebody's swimming here. Yeah, this is a great benefit or advantage of Barra da Lagoa, because you basically have the sea just right there. Then you have a canal that connects the sea and the lagoa, or the lagoon. It's right there, somewhere in about 2 kilometers and stuff. So you can have the fresh water here, salty water there. Amazing, what a combination. There you go. Maybe there's gonna be a jump Wow. And that's the bridge which you want to cross on the way to the hill right there, or to those piscinas, or the natural pools that I mentioned before. The local church, I believe. If you wanna right away after the beach go and pray, you can, or you can buy something, or you can chill. A little bit of a playground for kids, and some locals are here having fun. Yeah, this place has completely different vibe now when it's warm weather and when it's Sunday. That's Brazil you probably would not expect to see, you know, because it's super chill, super calm, and yeah, I can walk around here with my phone in my hands and without worrying about anything. Hey, it's definitely not a perfect place, but again, it's super chilled and it's very tourist oriented, so you know, super relaxed. If you want to get to know Brazil, start with Floripa Island, and any other village or a small town that they have it here. Why not Barra da Lagoa? There's gonna be more videos from beautiful Brazil and Latino America. Stay tuned. That's where I'm gonna finish this video. You can check out other videos on Brazil, and not only Brazil, Latin America, working on cruise ships and stuff on this channel. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.